Hi everyone, Dr. Vanshika this side, cosmetologist and PMU artist at Chic Nutrix. On the auspicious evening of Karwachauth, when the moonlight bathes the world with its gentle glow, every woman desires to look as pretty as they can, and self-care makes this day more special. Achieving a healthy natural glow requires a combination of few practices, healthy lifestyle, and positive mindset. So, there are a few points that you need to consider to make your skin more glowy on this auspicious day. First thing first, start your day with the lukewarm water, add few drops of lemon, which not only detoxifies your body but also promotes the glow. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Second thing, add few antioxidants to your diet. Berries, green leafy vegetables, carrots, all of that contains essential vitamins and minerals which are required by your body, which detoxifies your body and promotes the glow. Also, it promotes the anti-aging for your skin. Third thing, which is very important, is to have a good skincare routine. Homemade packs you can start with, which contains honey, yogurt, and turmeric, which not only provides the glow to your face but also has the anti-inflammatory properties and locks the moisture on your face. Also, do not forget about the sunscreen because that is gonna protect you from the sun damage. Fourth point, which is very important, is to have a good sleep. Good sleep of at least 7 to 8 hours is very much essential for you to have because it's gonna make you look more fresh and less tired on this auspicious day. Fifth point is that you should avoid the caffeinated drinks like tea and coffee and switch to green tea, which flushes out the toxins from your body and promotes the glow on your face. Last but not the least, you should have a positive mindset. Surround your people around you with the positive mindset, enjoy every moment, and may you be as luminous as the moonlight on this auspicious day.